Welcome to the Explainer. Now, if you're a caregiver, you know exactly what it's like to feel overwhelmed. Some days, even the simplest tasks can feel huge. Well, today we're going to focus on one of those tasks, washing hair in bed. And I'm going to walk you through a simple, no-mess method that makes it so much easier.
Yeah, that feeling of just being completely snowed under. But finding one solution that actually works, that can change everything. So let's just do it. Let's take what can be a really stressful, messy job and turn it into something calm, something manageable, not just for you, but for them too. Okay, so here's how we're going to tackle this. We'll start by looking at the challenge itself. Then we'll put together our toolkit. After that, I'll walk you through the no-mess method step by step. Then we'll talk about adding those crucial touches of comfort, and we'll finish up with the key takeaways.
Okay, first up, the challenge. Why is washing hair in bed even necessary in the first place? And why can it feel so difficult?
For a lot of older adults, a traditional shower or bath just isn't in the cards. It could be because of limited mobility or maybe a specific medical condition. And for folks with Alzheimer's or dementia, bathing can sometimes be really scary and cause a lot of resistance, so a gentle wash in bed is a much calmer alternative.
Now, I know what you might be thinking. What about dry shampoos or those no-rinse caps? And look, those are great for a quick fix, but they're not a real replacement for a proper wash. A good, thorough cleaning with water keeps the scalp so much healthier. It feels way more comfortable and refreshing, and let's be honest, it's about dignity. That's something those temporary solutions just can't give you.
Okay, so how do we solve this thing? Well, it turns out having the right tool changes everything. This is where things get so much easier.
So what's the secret? It's one single piece of equipment that makes this whole thing possible and, more importantly, mess-free. It's an inflatable, portable shampoo basin that's designed for this exact task.
And the best part, these are not some crazy expensive medical device. You can find them online for as little as $17. Just look for one that has a built-in drain hose. Trust me, that's the key to keeping everything clean and dry.
And really, besides that one key item, everything else you need, you've probably got it lying around the house already. A couple of towels or even garbage bags to protect the bed. 2 buckets, one for warm water, one for the runoff. Some shampoo, conditioner, and a little cup for rinsing. That's it. Simple.
All right, we've got our toolkit ready to go. So let's walk through the actual process. I'm going to break it down into 3 super simple stages for you. Prep, wash, and finish.
Okay, listen up, because this is the absolute key to a smooth, no-mess experience. Get everything set up before you even start. Lay out all your supplies, protect the bed with towels, fill your water bucket, and get the person comfy with that drain hose pointed right into the empty bucket. This prep work might take 5 minutes, but it saves you so much hassle later.
Now for the actual wash. You just gently wet their hair using your cup. And here's a little pro tip for you. Use a small amount of shampoo. Way too much soap just means you'll be rinsing forever. So a little lather, rinse it out completely, add conditioner if you're using it, do one final rinse, and then gently lift their head up. And the cleanup? It's just as easy. The second their head is out of that basin, wrap it in a nice, warm, dry towel so they don't get cold. Then you just take the basin and the bucket to a sink or a tub and empty them out. See? No mess, no stress.
All right, now we get to my favorite part. This is what takes it from just a task to a truly positive, compassionate experience. Because how you do this is just as important as what you're doing.
Seriously, these little touches can totally transform the whole experience. Always test the water on your own wrist first. Tossing the towels in the dryer for a few minutes beforehand? Oh, that feels amazing. A gentle scalp massage can be so incredibly relaxing. These little things turn what could feel like a clinical procedure into a soothing, caring moment.
And listen, this might be the single most important piece of advice in this entire explainer, especially if you're caring for someone with dementia. Just talk them through it. Explaining what you're doing step by step gets rid of surprises, it builds trust, and it just massively reduces any anxiety they might feel. It keeps them part of the process.
So after all that, what are the big things you really need to remember? Let's boil it all down.
Number 1, you can totally do this. It is not as hard as it seems. Number 2, that special basin is cheap and it is an absolute game changer. 3, remember, 5 minutes of prep is your secret weapon for a no-mess wash. And finally,
Never, ever underestimate how those little acts of comfort and communication can turn a simple task into a real moment of connection.
And really, that's the question I want to leave you with. Because the best caregiving isn't just about checking tasks off a list, right? It's about finding the dignity, the comfort, and the connection in all those small, everyday moments.